What is the minimum down payment required to buy a home in Ontario? The answer depends on the purchase price. And in a market like Milton, where the average home prices are well over $800,000, most buyers are working on a sliding scale. Here's how it breaks down to the current Canadian mortgage rules. Homes up to $500,000, there's a minimum of 5%. For homes between $500,000 and $1.5, it's 5% on the first $500,000 and then 10% on the portion above that. For homes at $1.5 million and above, you need a minimum of 20% down, and CMHC mortgage insurance is not available at that price point. So on an $800,000 home in Milton, which is pretty typical, you need a minimum of $55,000 as a down payment. And if you're putting less than 20% down, you'll also be required to carry CMHC mortgage insurance, which can be added directly to your mortgage. That premium ranges between 2.8 to 4%, depending on how much you put down. One important note for first-time homebuyers: there are programs that can help you get there faster. The First Home Savings Account lets you save up to $40,000 tax-free for a down payment. The Home Buyers Plan lets you withdraw up to $60,000 from your personal RRSPs, and that's each. At the Flowers team, we walk every buyer through these options so you're not leaving any money on the table. If you're starting to think about buying and aren't sure where you stand financially, get in touch with us. We've helped over 3,200 families in Milton navigate this exact process, and we'll connect you with our mortgage partners to map out the strategy.